Hey everyone! Are you constantly seeing Cloudflare verification screens or getting access denied errors while using Google Chrome? While Cloudflare isn't a program you install, your browser can store old security tokens and cookies that cause these errors to pop up everywhere. Today, I'm showing you the exact steps to remove Cloudflare's footprint from Chrome so you can browse smoothly again. Let's clear it out. Step 1. Open Chrome Settings. First, launch Chrome on your desktop. Move your cursor to the top right corner and click on the 3 vertical dots. From the menu that appears, click on Settings to open your browser's configuration panel. Step 2. Navigate to Privacy and Security. On the left-hand sidebar, click the tab labeled Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome manages all your local data. Now, look for the option at the top called Delete Browsing Data and click on it. Step 3. Set time range to All Time. A pop-up window will appear. Before you do anything else, look at the Time Range drop-down menu. It might be set to Last Hour by default. Click it and select All Time. This is a crucial step in 2026 to ensure every single old Cloudflare security token is wiped from your system. Step 4. Delete the data, the final step. Now, make sure the boxes for cookies and other data and cached images and files are both checked. Click the blue Delete Data button at the bottom. Once it finishes, I recommend closing Chrome completely and restarting it. This clears out the CF clearance cookies that were causing those constant verify you are human interruptions. And that's how you give your browser a fresh start and stop those Cloudflare loops. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.